friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making diced sweet potatoes in the air fryer. So I'm going to be making it from sweet potatoes from scratch. I need sweet potatoes. I will already wash them before making the video. And we also need oil and seasoning, so I'll use olive oil. You can use any kind of vegetable oil as well. And I'll use salt and pepper, and you can use any seasonings of your choice. It's up to you whether you want to peel the sweet potatoes or not. The recipe is the same. I'm not going to peel them just to make it easier. So now I'm going to dice the sweet potatoes into small pieces. So now once you've diced the sweet potatoes, let's season them. So I'm just going to add olive oil. And you can use as much oil as you like. This is just for flavor to make them crispy. And now add seasoning. So I'll sprinkle on the salt and pepper. And toss it so the sweet potatoes are coated with oil and seasonings. And now let's take out the air fryer basket and add the diced sweet potatoes. And put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees. And I will set the time to 20 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and shake diced sweet potatoes so they cook evenly. And let's put the air fryer basket back in the air fryer and let the sweet potatoes finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the sweet potatoes. Look at these delicious diced sweet potatoes. So nicely browned, perfectly cooked. They look amazing. I'm going to take them out of the air fryer. I'm so excited about trying these diced sweet potatoes. Let's try it. So soft, pierces so easily with a fork. So tender and delicious. You're going to love these air fried diced sweet potatoes. So easy to make, healthy and tasty. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks, for easy air fryer recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!